Here's how to set up Google Authenticator and get codes. Now first just head into the App Store or Google Play Store if you're on iPhone or Android, and we're gonna search for the Google Authenticator app. You need to download this app to your phone here to basically start the Authenticator process. So after you've downloaded it and installed it, let's just open it up. The first thing that you'll need to do is sign, of course, into your Google account. Essentially, this will be the Google account associated with these Authenticator codes. Now on here, you can see there aren't any codes, but from here, I'm gonna walk you through steps on how to add those codes. Let's set up Instagram to have Google Authenticator. So open up the Instagram app and I'll show you where to get the code from Instagram, and then we're gonna enter it into the Google Authenticator app as the first step. So we need to get to your settings. Tap on the profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now from here, you'll be able to see Account Center. Essentially, you can have a password or even a phone number that it will text you those codes, but the most secure way to secure your Instagram account is through a Google Authenticator. So let's enter that in by going to Account Center here, and then from here, Password and Security. Let's tap on two-factor authentication and for Instagram. And now from here, you can see authentication app, including Google Authenticator, but there are some other Authenticator apps as well. So let's tap on that and I'll show you what this looks like. It will give you a one-time code that you're gonna hit copy key. So this key is the one that we're gonna enter into Google Authenticator to authenticate that we have access to our Instagram account. So let's open up the Google Authenticator app and tap on plus at the bottom right and hit enter setup key. Now from here, let's name this Instagram. And then just enter in that key that we got. So I'm gonna paste it in and hit add. Now we've added this into Google Authenticator, but we also need to verify this again within Instagram. So we've added it to Google Authenticator. We need to add this code that is appearing right here into Instagram. So I'm gonna tap on it to copy it and then go to next. And from here, I'm gonna enter in and paste this six-digit code. After I've done that, you'll be able to see it shows that six-digit code and it should authenticate it as long as that code hasn't expired. It says now that two-factor authentication is on. We'll ask for this when you log in. Now it's super easy. If you ever needed to get that code to be able to log in, you just open up the Google Authenticator app and you'll be able to see it will give you 6 digits here. And at the top right here, you can see it constantly just refreshes. So every, let's say 20 seconds or so, it refreshes with a new code so that it's super secure. No one else can break into your Instagram account.